she's been wanting to come in. She's been patient enough. Ms. Pragya, go ahead, have your say.
Preeti, the honest truth is that the opposition has allowed the parliament to function for mere 12 hours. 12 hours in more than a week. 12 hours? Is that how you want to be treating the taxpayers' money that you keep going on and on about, Adil? Secondly, this is a time where you're not supposed to be creating ruckus. You are supposed to be asking questions and inviting a debate. You are debating in parliament. Instead, you're creating a ruckus. Learn to differentiate between the two things, and there lies the problem, Preeti. Therein lies the problem, because our opposition is not interested in constructive working. Our opposition is not interested in civilized questions and answers and forms of debate. All they want to do is waste taxpayers' money, be irresponsible as policy makers, and sit on these dharna-like situations and continue.
Madam, I just, it's a little, right now, this language is a little rich coming from you. I'll tell you why. We'll go back to 2012, and from there on, there's an entire chronology of Mr. Jaitley, Ms. Sushma Swaraj, who on the floor of the parliament have said stalling parliament is a form of protest and a form of democracy. I don't want to go into those quotes.
Can
Let Ms. Pragya, Charu Pragya continue. I'll go back to you, Adil, and I'll go across to Mr. Singh then. Go ahead.
Preeti, whatever happened in 2012 or 13 or even 14, the fact is today, every single year, we are supposed to be progressive as a democracy. We are supposed to be ensuring that every single penny that we put in to run our parliament effectively is utilized, because we have bills to pass. Like I said, we have policy making to do. And if somebody in the past has taken a certain form of sitting down for a dharna, literally, why can't we get over it? This is New India. New India has many more.
Adil, New India, but Adil will say, wouldn't a New India also order a probe when the own country where NSO is there has ordered? Israel has ordered a probe. France has asked for a probe. Shouldn't India be doing so? Should we be joining the league of countries like Saudi Arabia, Rwanda? Yes, go ahead, Adil.
Preeti, let me demonstrate the hypocrisy and contradiction. The government officers, officials of the Ministry of IT and of Home Ministry did not even appear before the Standing Committee of IT, which is headed by Mr. Shashi Tharoor. This is their bona fide and sincerity. Their members boycotted the Standing Committee of IT. This is their bona fide. Number two, what is progressive? Is hacking progressive? Is hacking into the phone of a victim of sexual abuse progressive? Is hacking into the phone of a judge of the Supreme Court progressive? Is hacking into the phone of a distinguished defense journalist?
Ma'am, I'll come to you. Let him complete. Ms. Pragya, let him complete. Let him complete. I promise I'll come to you for a rebuttal. Go ahead, Adil. Make your point.
Our democracy is at a crossroad. It is not about the Congress and the BJP. Narendra Modi and Amit Shah will reduce this country into rubble. They've already reduced all institutions into rubble. There is no other word but describe it as rubble.
Okay, I want to bring in Mr. Okay, Sunil Singh, I want to bring you in. Okay, I'll come to you. I promise I'll come to you. Ms. Pragya, I will come to you. I just want to go to Mr. Singh. Mr. Singh, I want to come back to that question again. Where does the JDU stand? You leave alone the opposition. Where does the JDU stand? Does the JDU want a probe in Pegasus? Yes, sir, or no? Does the JDU want a discussion on the floor of the House? Yes or no? Does the JDU feel this entire issue is being blown up? Which one of the three is it?
Honorable Nitish Kumar has unambiguously said that if the allegation of this kind comes, it should be discussed and probed. But that doesn't mean, in democracy, there are 101 ways of protesting. It doesn't mean that you ransack trains, ransack bus, stop it from working, stop the parliament from functioning. I mean, that is not way of doing things. Because and a person is coming from the Congress, Congress has got so negative-minded leadership that that the top leadership tweets that where is the vaccine when vaccine is there, no dearth of it. I mean, this kind of irresponsible statement.
All right, okay, the fact is, it's not about the opposition, sir. But in principle, the JDU, one second. I want to go back to Ms. Pragya.